This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework, AP Physics, Homework 8.1, Question 6. A building made with a steel structure is 452 meters high on a winter day when the temperature is 0 degrees Fahrenheit. So the first thing I know is that my original length is going to be 452 meters. And I know that my original temperature is 0. How much taller is the building? So I'm looking for delta L. How much taller is the building when the temperature is 105 degrees Fahrenheit? The linear expansion of steel is 1.1 times 10 to the minus 5 per degree Celsius. That's what this means. So I know that my alpha, my expansion coefficient, is going to be 1.1 times 10 to the minus 5, and that's 1 over degrees Celsius. Well, they give me degrees Fahrenheit, so I've got 0 and 105. So my delta T in Fahrenheit is going to be 105 minus 0, so for me that's 105 degrees Fahrenheit. How do I get that into difference delta T in degrees Celsius? Well, I could convert this one to Fahrenheit and this one to Fahrenheit, sorry, this one to Celsius and this one to Celsius, but I'm going to be subtracting 32 from either one of them. When I subtract this minus 32 minus this minus 32, the minus 32's go away. So this is really a delta T, and that's okay. That delta T is okay because if I want to convert Fahrenheits to Celsius, all I got to know is how much bigger Fahrenheits are than Celsius is, or vice versa. It turns out that a delta T in Fahrenheit times, I want to make the number smaller, so times 5 divided by 9 is going to be delta T in degrees Celsius. So if I take this number, 105, and I just simply do times 5 divided by 9, that's going to give me my delta T that I'm looking for. So that's going to be my delta T. Now I want to know how much taller, so my equation is that my change in length is my alpha times my original length times my difference in temperature. So as long as I've converted it into Fahrenheit, this will be a simple plug and chug. So this is my alpha, my original length, and my difference in temperature will be my times 5/9 of that. So that'll give me my change in length.